My followers, see how the food looks. It's so yummy. I can't wait. Come and we eat. Just try my recipe and enjoy my food. Hello my family, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm going to just prepare Ugandan simple Irish, but it will be really so delicious. And these are the things we are going to use. These are the veggies we are going to use. We have tomatoes, we have carrots, we have onions, we have green pepper, we have garlic, and we have the Irish. For now spices, we have salt, beef masala, cumin, and coriander. And we have here Royco, black pepper, and paprika. That's what we are going to use for today with cooking oil. Just follow me on how we are going to cook our delicious food, just in a simple way. You don't require a lot of things to use. Now I'm heating the saucepan. I'm going to add some cooking oil. I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add the garlic. I'm now going to add green pepper. I'm going to add the Irish. I am now going to add the tomatoes and the carrots. At this point, I'm going to add the spices, salt, cumin, coriander, and beef masala. But I'm going to mix it with some water. I'm also going to add some water so that it can let it cook until it's soft. Remember, it should cook under moderate heat so that it does not burn from down. Now you can see our Irish is about to be ready. I'm now going to add the Royco, paprika, and black pepper, but I'm going to also mix it with some water. I am also preparing here some side dish, just some simple salad. I'm going to use cabbage, carrot, tomato, green pepper, and onion. Now I'm going to add some seasonings to the salad. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some sugar. I'm going to add some vinegar. I'm also going to add some olive oil. I'm just going to mix. Now our salad is nicely mixed. Now our Irish is nicely ready. I'm just going to serve. If you've been watching up to this stage, that means you've liked the video. Just tap on the subscribing button or like or share. I'll be so grateful if you support the channel. And you can also drop in the comment section on anything that you missed out, and you also check on the description section. Thank you very much for watching. Now our food is ready for eating. You can see our food is so yummy. You're welcome to eat. My followers, see how the food looks. It's so yummy. I can't wait.